Mtip syu lakadai ke jingsim kabu nedai ke baki mar ke mata baro kila syukiu dor palat pun naduk patrekam ke hukum pakhangi ke senong kitau lakadai ke marba mardi ne ke wei ke mar ke badon kam hakatrei ke kta kana ke jingkiu dor jong ki mar ke mata kala bu haka khim khat ye ke riupat ba bat kala kta jur ya ka kamai ke ji jong ki henrei manu banyo ya kani bat hatu ke sarkar ka hunmo ban chupen bat chusngam tang ba kala biang yaladi bakayok bun ka khajana nadu bakasoka jala kala simrai ban penjun surya ke hukum khangdam hapo ke jala bat ban ailat no ekatri ka kta jong ki pat ba hakibabun ki kam kinong song ke jala kala sedang ban phumut biang bakila yo kalat ban biang salaki jong ki kam ki jam ban yo kamai ka ji Henrai hapadeng kene kejing penjensur kira pat ba kila syak ban pat menta hakajing kiodor jeng kimar kimata kabala pendeko ekatrai kakta bat bo hakajing ban pentelun ya kakam kiba sakta jur kidai kibrio ba pentrai ye jingtei ba pher kum ki contractor bat ki mystery namar kejing kiodor palat liam jong kimar kum ka dewbilat ki narrod ki prek ki sainar bat kiwei kimar ba donkam hakajing tei kene ke jingkiu dor kala bu haka kem khat ikinong pentrai ye ke jingtei ki bahap perkhat arse ne ke jingyo nong bat ke jing penmi bible la ye ki mystery ba ki aikam kila don ru ki khap ba kinong pentrai ne ki contractor ki hap ban wengkam ye ki mystery tang ban penduna nong trai khnang ba kinom yap nong nakakam ba ki pentrai
ka semjinge safi kum ba blang ne mai traying ru semjinge ban thik katia katar kidor ne jaka kilamang kata bisa mendap king hendai ai kiu kesan kedol ka umur kita gitar tu kata yang kepala kita yang teng kontrak boleh ikut tentang ya kedol kita yang taruh long laklan nak kumai nak baik kiman pendap yang kesam dia ada kidol kumne yang nong pelaru ada kita yang pesange yakam ngipat seing lagi intre dek niawat belas isturu kendai kepsuk bun beri yang ladap beri tentang lapan sengek suaba kiu prak ketia katar te nyelek umno si eng niawat kelat kunti dekai pan nampak
ini ke kiu dor tempat yang dikir kalau
tak sibun fi tapi kum semen menswa kum niu amrin kano lais pa nyupo aspa kapo kuntai menta poi kesan saus pak sanpo kastar le biasa kalau poe man san separuh baka amrit sausan po to kastar le hamtip jua
si petmo ka bampor te menta ban yo ka material ka bampor an chu ai example ngai phi kum menta sngi kum usually ha ki por ba before lockdown ada ngapha ngadon kam ni lot steel na bernihan ngan pha ka kali simene step sibi janmin ngala yo ka material la ada blood material by tomorrow morning ka material kala po yang ni dukan nga but the consider ba ipor bamenta pan kani ka ngan pha ka kali kala yang license saus ni kimpat yo load it's not that ka material it's not available material is available but there's shortage of labor ha ka company ha ka factory ba se trai ki labor se dan san phone ru phongut menta we have shipo pra khat arngut kunta te ban load ya ka material ka simpor ba and the main reason is bakim sha kim pelat ki kim shawani ki labor na bar ki migrant labor bayang kim shawani ki that's the main reason data menta bang receive ka material in time it's a big problem lada ka yo kamar kam phim yo kamar market te ka door obviously ka queue bi kumdei tang ki break ne ki cement ne ka ta nadu ki mar bam ki finda pet min chaw khaw khat san spa khan ru spa sbor ni menta la poi si ki khat ar san phau khat lai te kamdei bong baki menta initially person pelat ke lockdown haiti por ga material kum ki cement ki dang sedang ban play te haiti por ki dang duna ka mar market te khendian sot ke dor ka tam khatsan ar phoding ka na ki dor barim hendai kum menta ga availability jong ka mar ka labun ni la yo ba ka mar te ka dor almost klawan haju hi kam da pher than re ka tata
ada kalong hadu kata dengi nombla fi pues kapor menghap nong saknu syu dah bagi try ro bai bala yang itu kimnut su pentrai ni hap song hayang teng yo bam yo na e tit ka bam ko di da ni wadung khun ti da im sai klop khun da
Halor kani Menteri Rangba kejala Contractor kongkal sangma ula pentep banaka liang jong ula yok pediang yi kejing ujor halor kejing kiew dor ke dewbilat hadu shispa tengka shiberni ba ula betha yu Chief Secretary ba onlum ye kejing alang bat kinong penya jong ki karkhana penmi dewbilat lembat ki officer jong katanat industries ban penben yakane kakam.
Difference in pricing that people have faced recently. In fact, I have asked Chief Secretary to convene a meeting, and he did. And apart from the Industries Department, the cement companies were called, and they have been asked. And they mentioned that there was some issues related with the retailers. When we called the retailers and the wholesalers, they said no, there's some issue with the cement companies. So therefore, now the Industries Department has been asked to call a meeting of both the cement plants as well as the retailers and the shops, and this issue will be resolved. So whatever the concerns are, wherever there's any additional pricing that's been put in or any kind of additional pressure that's been put on the public, we will rectify those matters. But obviously, if there's a genuine increase in the cost, if there's a genuine concern that is there from the retailers or from the cement companies, then we have to look into all of that. But in no circumstances will we allow them to cause any inconvenience to the people.